name is Erin Chutter. I'm the President and CEO of Global Cobalt. Global Cobalt Corp is a Canadian-listed public company. We're in the middle of a really exciting transformation of our company. We are taking our Russian Cobalt project, keeping it within Global Cobalt, and spinning out our non-Russian Cobalt projects into a new public company which we'll call Global Energy Metals. This is a great opportunity for our current shareholders to get not only the value out of the Russian Cobalt project, but also see value from the new listing of Global Energy Metals. So the new Global Cobalt, which will be focused on the development of the Karakul Cobalt Project and the Altai Cobalt Belt, will continue on the same path it's on right now. There's a Chinese engineering group that is working with us on the feasibility studies, and we're in the process of initiating on the metallurgical works for that project. It's a really substantial cobalt project located in a region that's very close to China, which is one of the key cobalt markets. At the same time, we recognize that there's some issues around investing in Russia currently, and we wanted to really extract the value from our North American projects into a new listed vehicle, which will be Global Energy Metals. That company will start with our two North American assets, which are Werner Lake and Iron Creek. We're also on a path right now looking for other cobalt and energy metals projects that we can bring into the company, be they in North America, Australia, or elsewhere. We feel really strongly that energy metals, cobalt, lithium, graphite, vanadium, even tungsten, are projects that are of high interest to end users and buyers of material, and we want to be the consolidator of those projects and then the suppliers of those materials to those companies. Well, we like to say there's not a lot of other companies in our class. Cobalt is a very niche metal, and the battery metals sector has been just as hard hit as other commodities during the recent downturn. However, the demand for those materials is coming back very quickly as electric vehicles continue to grow in demand, handheld electronics, laptop computers. These are all big drivers of this metal set. And we're seeing already price increase for these commodities substantially up over the bottoms of 2010, 2012. So there are other companies, of course, in this area, but we believe we're the only ones that have, with Global Cobalt, a strong asset close to the Chinese end user, and with Global Energy Metals, a new consolidator within this set. Well, the current catalyst is right now. We'll be announcing in the next day or so the new date for our shareholder meeting. This is the shareholder meeting where shareholders will vote on this split. We have a lockup agreement with our largest shareholder, Imperial Mining, so we fully expect that meeting will proceed and that vote will proceed. Shareholders who are shareholders of Global Cobalt prior to that meeting will actually receive shares in both companies, both Global Cobalt and Global Energy Metals. So this is a really interesting opportunity for investors right now who are current Global Cobalt shareholders or who become Global Cobalt shareholders within the next 3 or 4 weeks. They will actually receive shares in both companies, which is an enormous opportunity for an investor interested in the energy metal space. Again, what we really see with 2015 is the transformation of the energy metals space in terms of the commodity set. We saw a lot of new supply come on stream during 2013, 2014. That was meeting the current demand. This is the year that most analysts see there'll be that crossover in the supply and demand, and we think that'll be a real driver, not just for the price of the commodity, but renewed interest in projects, and that is why we're working to get our hands on projects as quickly as we can so that we can really be part of that explosion within the battery metal space.